In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to Notion for project documentation. If you want your team's planning and documentation to live in one easy-to-reference place, connecting Jira to Notion is a simple and effective setup. It helps you keep project details visible while still using Jira for issue tracking and workflow management, and Notion for written documentation, meeting notes, and team knowledge. To get started, first make sure you have access to both platforms. You'll need a Jira project that you can open and copy links from, and a Notion workspace where you can create or edit pages. Before you connect anything, take a moment to decide what kind of information you want to surface inside Notion. This could include project plans, fiches, meeting notes, requirements, or issue updates. Having a clear idea of what belongs where will make your documentation cleaner and much easier to maintain over time. Next, let's add Jira links inside Notion. Open the Notion page where you want the Jira content to appear. In that page, type /Jira to bring up the Jira embed option, then select Jira issue. After that, paste the URL of the Jira issue you want to reference and click Create Embed. This is a great way to place specific issues directly into documentation, especially when you want to connect written context with active tasks. It also saves time because people don't have to search for the issue separately. You can also embed broader Jira project views into Notion. In Jira, copy the URL for a board, an individual issue, or a saved filter, depending on what you want to display. Then go back to your Notion page, paste the link, and choose Create Embed. Once that's done, your Notion page can display Jira information right alongside your documentation. This is especially useful for project hubs, sprint pages, or team planning spaces where visibility matters. From there, use Notion as the main place for your project documentation. Create pages for product requirements, project specifications, meeting notes, release documentation, and team guides. As you build those pages, link related Jira issues directly inside them so the connection between planning and execution stays clear. This makes it easier for anyone on the team to understand the background of a task, find the latest updates, and move between documentation and delivery without losing context. When set up well, this workflow gives your team a more organized and connected project environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.